Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. Are you having thinning hair? Are you having difficulty in making your hair thicker, longer, or in growing out your hair? Then this video is for you because today I'll be sharing with you all just two ingredients that will help you grow longer, thicker, luscious hair. And the second ingredient will shock you because not everybody is talking about it. If you are, please do well to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss out of the preparation. If you are new here, my name is Muna, and on my channel I share natural hair tips and tricks, feminine hygiene tips, and also fertility tips for both male and female. If that is what you like, please do well to join the family by pressing the red subscription button, and please do not forget to press the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my video. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Giving me a thumbs up will help me with the YouTube algorithm and to also help YouTube to push my video to other people. So without further preambles, let's get started. Our first ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are a good source of protein and also good source of nicotinic acid that helps strengthen the hair shaft and also prevents hair breakage. And the next ingredient that no one is talking about is what is bamboo. Do you know that bamboo contains about 70% silica, which makes it super effective in improving hair growth? Silica is also an essential micronutrient found in the skin, bones, and hair, which gives it a youthful appearance and also elasticity. So, bamboo helps to boost hair growth. Not only that, bamboo also adds shine to your to your hair. As we go further, I will explain more benefits on bamboo and also fenugreek. Now you're going to be needing either a glass jar or a bowl for our mixture. The first thing we are going to be doing now is to prepare our what bamboo. Please watch till the end. There's a way they prepare these for potency so that you don't do it in a way that you won't get it right. So the first thing is to prepare our bamboo. I took about 1 tablespoonful of my bamboo powder, and after putting it in my glass jar, I'm adding warm water. Please, not hot water, but warm water that boils to about maybe 60-70 degrees Celsius, but not 100. So add your warm water into the bamboo powder and then you mix well into the bamboo powder, and then you mix properly like so, and then you cover it and allow the bamboo to infuse. Please allow it to infuse for about 4 hours. Please, 4 hours. So this is now 4 hours after infusing my bamboo powder now. So after 4 hours now, I'm going to be sieving it out now to get the juice or the liquid or my bamboo infused herb. So I'll be sieving it out now like so. Please make sure you use your stockings or you use a wig cap. I usually make use of my wig cap, or you can use a cheesecloth or handkerchief to sieve out your bamboo. Bamboo not only is bamboo the best kept modern secret for healthy hair, skin, and nails, but it contains what unrivaled amounts of biotin, which is a member of the B vitamin family that has been shown to do what to enhance hair growth. So after you have after I've used my wig cap, I still went ahead to still use my sieve also to sieve my bamboo as well. You can see the remnants, you can see the residue rather. So make sure you sieve it up properly to just get only the liquid or the juice out from the bamboo powder. Then now, the next thing now I'm going to be doing now is to add our fenugreek. So this is where our fenugreek comes in. So I'll be adding just 1 tablespoonful of our fenugreek now into the already infused bamboo tea or bamboo water. So I'll be adding the fenugreek inside it like so. Stir thoroughly, and then please do stir it thoroughly. Stir it very thoroughly, and then you cover and allow it to infuse now overnight for 24 hours. Please infuse overnight for 24 hours. So let's talk more about bamboo. Bamboo also adds shine to your hair. So this is the next day now. I went ahead to change the glass because it was really swelling. So I now transferred it into another bigger glass. So this is after 24 hours of infusion. of infusing our bamboo and the fenugreek together, and now I'm going to be sieving it off now, the final sieving off now of our fenugreek and bamboo hair spritz or hairspray. This hairspray, please do not wash it out. Do not wash it out. It will help you grow longer, luscious, thicker hair. So sieve it off now like so. Bamboo also helps support what? Moisture retention. So, and you all know that one of the key thing to growing our hair or retaining length is what? Moisture. So bamboo or supports moisture retention. It also strengthens and softens the hair. Bamboo also cleanses the hair of environmental pollution, dead skin cells, and also product buildup that can cause your hair to be what? To be dull. So bamboo is very, very good. And then went ahead to add my MSM. As you all know, I don't do without my MSM. MSM helps to elongate the anaging phase of our of the hair cycle, and then it helps you to grow your hair longer. Then I went ahead to add my rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil contains a compound called rosmaric acid, which has been shown to naturally thicken the hair, and it also helps with female baldness and also helps to block DHT production at the same time. And it also works even more than minoxidil. I also added my tea tree also. Tea tree essential oil is loaded with antifungal and antibacterial property, which also helps to treat scalp issues and also facilitate hair growth. So I've added everything together now like so, and then I'm going to be mixing it now. Mix it well, and then our hair spritz is what is ready for application. Please do well to see how to apply these as well properly. So let's talk more also on this bamboo now. Bamboo also does what? Gives your hair, gives you a thicker hair. It has scalp soothing properties, which improves blood circulation to the scalp, and it also strengthens the hair follicles, promoting the growth of a thicker hair. So if you really want thicker hair, please do well to do what? To use bamboo. Bamboo is very essential. It boosts hair growth. Silica is everything. Bamboo is the highest plant or herbs that contains silica. And silica, it contains 70% of silica, followed by horsetail. But bamboo is the number one. So when it comes to hair thickness, then seek for bamboo. So bamboo not only thicken your hair, it also grows your hair. It also does what? Helps with length retention, moisture retention, and also helps to do what? Cleans your hair of every environmental pollution. So if you use this hair sprays, it will help you grow your hair longer and thicker. This bamboo fenugreek hair spray will help you grow longer, thicker hair. So please do well to try this. So after spraying my hair with my bamboo and fenugreek hairspray, then I went ahead to use my carrot butter. I will leave in a link on that carrot butter. This carrot butter has been a staple, and it has really been a goal for me for my hair. So after sealing up now with my carrot butter, I'm going to be twisting my hair up now like so. Please do well to try this fenugreek bamboo hair spritz for longer, thicker hair. It will help you grow longer, thicker hair. I bet you and I guarantee you that. So do not wash it out, please. Do not wash it out. If you really want to grow your hair longer and thicker, do not wash it out. Use it as a leave-in spritz. Use it as a leave-in spritz, please. Use it as a leave-in spritz, and then you're on your way to growing longer, luscious, thicker hair with our fenugreek and bamboo hair spritz or leave-in spray. So guys, you can see how my hair is looking. This bamboo, I've been using it for a while. It has really helped me because I like experimenting before coming out to show you guys anything. So guys, please, thank you all so much for watching my video. So let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried bamboo together with fenugreek as well. So I guarantee this fenugreek and bamboo hair mix, just these two ingredients will definitely grow your hair. Your hair will never stop growing. and it will also do what help you get thicker hair because of the bamboo that contains silica. So please let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried bamboo in your regimen or ever tried a mixture of bamboo and fenugreek. So let me hear that in the comment section, and if you're yet to subscribe, please go to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends and family at the same time. So till I see you again, stay blessed, stay fabulous, and stay safe. Bye.